I have arrived today. I got a VW Polo, right? Today's situation is a bit different because once in 7 years, right, I have been sent V5C service history, everything on a WhatsApp, right, already. So I've seen all the paperwork. Just got 3 keepers. It's a 2019 Polo, right? So let's just do a little walk around. So 2019 Polo, so it's been ex-business car. I can see it's been owned by business. It is low mileage car. It's a 1 liter engine in this. It has a good service history, but a few of them are missing. The services I can see is due on this. Let's see what else I can find. Just get to this. It's 2019 August, and so service is due. He has a service plan. The warranty extended run out just on 24th of April 2026. So let's just do a walk around. He's got minor age-related scratches and all the doors are locked. Minor scratches. A sensible looking car. He has a sensibly low mileage. Obviously got tree branch scratches, classic things when in the countryside you're going too close to the tree branches and bushes. Some visual imperfection, some cheap things. The locking remotes are working. So you got classic things sometimes. Sometimes people don't check that, right? But you end up center locking not working, not unlocking all doors, which is annoying. Let's just check. Sometimes you have, they're giving you 3 keys or 2 keys. 2 of them don't start the car. 1 starts the car. 2 blades don't fit in a lock. Right? Most people don't think about these things, and you do start thinking about it when your battery goes flat in a Tesco. So, and then you're realizing your blade don't fit in a door lock when you need emergency access. We'll check that. Yeah, it's 45,000 miles. Needs a full wallets, haven't been cleaned. So let's see what else I can see. So that's the first glimpse, Sensible tyres. 50 worn discs, but about 50% left on pads. These ones start perishing. I'm just showing you a visual. I still have to measure the tyres and everything else. Yeah, so they're between 60 and 50% worn pads, and I will need a disc and this pad replacement. So that's the car. Let me crack on.